Why is every small taxpayer is worried about negative liability adjustment in CMP 08? Are you also worried about this? And are you unable to make payment in CMP 08? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll explain you the purpose of negative liability statement, what is the problem it creating, and how to resolve the problem. Hi everyone, I am AJ from ClearTax, where we provide all-in-one GST toolkit to simplify your GST return filing experience, starting with error-free data ingestion till smart reporting. Do subscribe to our channel to get clear explanation of various tax and finance concepts by clicking on the subscribe button below. What is the purpose of negative liability statement? In simple words, the government introduced negative liability statement so that a composition dealer can adjust the GST paid in advance related to next financial year. The balance in negative liability statement will be displayed only after submitting GST 4 of the previous years. Okay, we understood the purpose of negative liability statement, but why has this creating problems to composition dealers now? Let's see in detail. The composition dealer has to file CMP 08 on a quarterly basis and GST 4 on an annual basis to declare the turnover and tax paid details. Table 5 of GSTR 4 consists of summary of tax paid and turnover details, which is auto-populated from CMP 08 of all the 4 quarters. However, Table 6, which talks about tax rate wise details of sales for the year, has to be filled in manually by the return filer. So, when you don't fill Table 6 of the GSTR 4 properly, the GST system will read it as tax paid on advances related to the next financial year. Hence, the tax paid in the previous year will be displayed as negative liability for the current year. For suppose you have not filled Table 6 of GSTR 4 related to financial year 2021, then the total tax paid through CMP 08 will be displayed as negative liability for the financial year 21-22. So folks, is this explanation clear to you? If yes, please write clear in the comment section below. If not, please raise your concern so that we will try to clear it for you. Few taxpayers may have a doubt like, I have already filled Table 6 while filing GSTR 4 for the financial year 2021. Then why am I getting negative liability in my CMP 08? The reason for the same could be you might not have filled Table 6 of GSTR 4 related to financial year 1920. Yes, you heard me right. The negative liability statement is considering GSTR 4s of both financial years 2019-20 and 2021. As per GST law, the person who forgot to mention the details in Table 6 of GSTR 4 has to raise a grievance and submit a letter to jurisdictional grievance officer requesting him to remove the negative liability. This process proves to be time consuming, so I'll try to provide a solution to this issue. Now there are two scenarios. Number 1, where you have not filed GSTR 4 of financial year 2021. Number 2, where you have filed GSTR 4 for the financial year 2021. Now let's see how to adjust negative liability if you have not filed GSTR 4 for the financial year 2021. You can adjust negative liability related to financial year 1920 if any in Table 6 of GSTR 4 of financial year 2021. Let's see how to do it. Make sure you do not change any figures in Table 5 of GSTR 4 for the financial year 2021. However, you have to add the tax rate wise sales of both financial years 1920 and 2021 and enter it in table number 6. Through this way, you can adjust the negative liability related to financial year 1920, and finally, you can proceed with filing CMP 08 for the quarter April 21 to June 21 without any issues. What if you have already filed GSTR 4 of financial year 2021?
Welcome to ClearTax. In this video, we are going to discuss about the negative liability adjustments in CMP 08. I am going to explain you the reasons, solutions for the negative liability adjustments in CMP 08. Once we land on the ClearTax UI, we are going to select a business. Under returns, we are going to select the CMP 08 form. Then we will land on the prepare form page where we have the taxes and the taxable value present. Now, since we have to pay tax, let's go to the pay tax page. But the net tax payable and tax to be paid is 0. What exactly the reason for this? Let us see. Here we have the adjustment of negative tax liabilities present here and pay in cash is in negative. So because of this, the net tax payable is zero. What exactly the reason for the negative tax adjustment of negative tax liability that is present here? If there is any amount present in the adjustment of the negative liability of the previous tax period under the payment of tax in the cash ledger balance, it is because the taxpayer has not filed the table 6 of GSTR 4 of previous return properly. Let us see how this table 6 and table 5 will have an impact on the quarterly return CMP 08 from previously filed GSTR 4. We're coming to the table 5 of GSTR 4 annual return. It is the summary of self-assessed liability as per the form GST CMP 08 that is filed in all the 4 quarters of the entire year. That will be auto-populated here. The taxpayer has to declare the turnover as per books, rate-wise details of outward supplies and inward supplies, attracting the reverse charge of the entire year in table 6 manually. Based on this, the taxes, it may be excess or in short, will be displayed in the table 8. If at all this is done properly, there are no chances of occurring of adjustment of negative liability of previous tax period. If at all the table 6 is not filled properly, these figures will occur in this column because the GSTN portal takes it as a excess payment to the government and it starts offsetting with the present quarter, that is the first quarter of the next financial year in CMP 08. Hence this negative liability. Due to this negative liability, we are not able to see the tax to be paid and net tax payable. Hence it is 0. So what exactly the solution for this is and how to rectify this? So if at all the taxpayer has not filed the GSTR 4 for the present year, then he can rectify it by entering the turnover and the taxes, which includes previous years as well as the present year's figures, and rectify it. If at all the taxpayer has already filed the GSTR 4 for the present year, then he should pay the taxes using the DRC 03 payment challan, where we can go through the payment via user services, my applications, and then this screen will be displayed. Under application type, we have to select intimation of voluntary payment DRC 03, and the payment of taxes can be made and the amount that is present in the adjustment of negative liability of previous tax period can be nullified.
So, to summarize, if you have already filed GSTR 4 related to financial year 2021, you have to file DRC 03 to make tax payment related to all 4 quarters of financial year 21-22 and then make adjustment in table 6 of GSTR 4 of financial year 21-22. So folks, that's it for the day. If you like the video, please do like and share. If you have any doubt about this topic, please mention them in the comment section so that we'll clear your doubts. Are you confused with multiple GST deadline changes? Try out our ClearPro app for getting GST news, updates, calendar, GST return filing status and many more features on one go. Please click on the link left in the description box below to download the Android application now. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that we'll let you know whenever there is an update from ClearTax. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.